When Lord Chaitanya was entering deep into Brajabhav and Mayapur, while he was in his Grihastha life, he would teach Sanskrit, and the students were complaining, everything you're teaching, all the sandhis, all the dhatus, everything, the combination of words, the basic mool and root word, it all indicates Krishna. Only Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. And later when he took sannyas, he closed his books on grammar and Naya, and he closed his school, his toll, and then he simply started running, searching everywhere, all over India. Krishna Kahan, where is Krishna? Krishna, 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 Krishna. Krishna. When you want to attract someone's attention, what do you do? What do you say? Hey you!